Dem not say make small pikin not do teeth big, so far make you see lips where you go take cover am. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just did a post for YouTube, you just come across this our channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we post video here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless. For this our channel, now Tori now with the talk and now Pidgin English will take the knock our Tori for you. So today we want to talk about one lady. This lady, now popular lady, when we say she be actress, she just run colo for road. Wetin happen when we say she take run colo for road? At first, I first see the video, they wire the video come for me. I can't imagine say what really they happen. How this beautiful girl who just they dance for road, they try to stop car and all that. I try to know what happen and not feel know, then I just pause until when I can't really get what happen and I can't see and say they bring her come out for news. Now it's okay. Me go still shook my mouth put for this matter. And that make me carry the matter come here today. Some people say she be Ghana, some say she be Nigeria. For her Instagram page, when they sent come for me, they write and say she be Congolese actress. So I don't really know where she from come anyway. But anyhow, now our Africa sister because it get our color. What it happen be say, according to the news where me for see and where they allege talk and say, she run colo because she dump the man when see her through university. You know, when she they grow up, they come, she did for junior school, that is junior high school, as in JSS, you know, and then she for know this man, and this man come they help her. Then he come promise this man, say, make this man see her through university, say she go marry the man, and the man can't believe, and the man can't really try to spend money for her. All through when she did for secondary school, if you need book, you need anything at all, the man they provide for her, because according to the news, they say her family they be Bako Roro, you know, they house, you know, they bank, you know, they for literal hand, you know, and this man they be everything. Being a saying don't promise this man can they put more effort, say I want to train my wife. Maybe say na me train my wife to university level. I go train my wife to my taste. I go marry her. You know, the man can they do press up. They spend. And so she can't enter senior high school. Now so the man say they take care of her and they do everything before she can finally enter university. We all know say to sponsor person for university, not be my man. You know, they will buy and that accommodation fee, school fee, transportation and all that. You know. So, and you need to meet up to the other ladies. You need to dress up, they buy good clothes and buy good hair, look good, you know. The man, they do everything. Actually, the girl, a very beautiful girl, you know, she really look good. She really, they take good care of herself. The man, they do all this effort, say, now my wife, at the end, she'll be my wife. According to the news, they say not tell that this lady can't jump correct bobo for school. If you see this bobo, they say if I finish, they say now so he gets 6-pack. I've been at 8-pack. They say when the guy will stand like this, now the kind of man will be say ladies one get, and the man or you both they come out well for a mat, and the man really look good and ego money is still there for the man side, and it can't be say the man can't just like this girl. Then they can't begin the day together. But whether the girl can tell and say, this school when me they come, so now somebody when I promise marriage, then they sponsor me, not be me they carry myself they come, or my papa then they send me to school because my papa na pakororo. I don't know whether the lady tell the guy all this story, how she take enter university. I don't know. So when they come the day like that guy when be say sponsor her for school, he can't try to they call her. They want to know how they do, because before they stay line, you know the way they say they talk, you know they don't believe say their wife to be. If you can't they call the lady now, the phone now we can't they say hello, the black girl you are trying to call is with another black boy, you know. So when the man can't they call, can't they say the way the lady can't they dodge out for phone, don't know say something is fishing. Then the man can't they say this lady be not they do like this. I been don't carry boyfriend for school. If you call her, you know they pick. If you call her, now so they go read, now so they go library, now so they go here, now so if they read, may not disturb. And I can say, now today you enter the school. If you they read before now, where they call you, why can't be saying at this period of time now you can't dodge me for phone? The guy can't see they try to know what it did happen. Now the girl no fit hide that again because she don't carry the way by that love of 6-pack, correct fine boy with jeep, you know. Now you just open up, contact the man, say, I beg, this relationship, it don't end though, because I don't feel follow you again. You know, as I be university girl, maybe that man not go. And you not be my class, I'm so sorry. Not be as we take talk when we they go farm. Not be so we take talk again when we they come back again. So I'm so sorry. Like the man say, okay, now so you talk, you say yes, so now the man go shake his head. He said, are you doing me this one? Because now only God know how the man take get the money where they spend ever since. And so the man take run go babalawo. He run go native doctor, go do what for this girl head do. They say one day the guy just they carry and they get post for area now. As the young history, the guy head down the shaky. The guy don't open door. He say one corner, he one corner. Be end of them happy now. As I can see the story now, they tell una so, and una go they see the write up for here because me not fair do. I know since last week. Now this video don't they fly. Almost 10 people don't send me this video. You understand? I don't shook my mouth because I don't know what happen. As me come see her for news, say see what happen. That make me come they talk now. You understand? Now as I take see for news now, so I take they tell una so. You understand? And anybody not ask me the video. In short, I don't even get the video again. I don't already delete them. Now, ladies like us, you know. So before you know it, the apple, they say now so the guy head, they shake for a time or two. Like the guy can't say, he say, drop. The guy say, we never reach where we they go now. He say, no, make it drop. Now the guy just say, make it park. Before he say, make it park, the guy don't open door, he don't come down. He don't throw away shirt, he don't throw away precise, he don't throw away pants, don't throw away everything. Everything, niente, as my people talk. The guy called the shame, he tried to hold on, he don't feel hold on. Now so the guy say drive, leave and come out. Now so she begin they dance, so go music, they dance for music, they dance, they try to stop Okada, stop taxi, stop any car when they pass. Now then they come begin the video run. The guy. Now so it start to when the matter first start, they come say that guy na Yahoo guy, na he drop am, na make am come dey kolo. Say Yahoo guy don't use am for ritualist, so this and this, that and that. Now the first news won't fair here, but I pause. But now later, now this one come up say no be Yahoo guy. Now wetin happen to her be that? You understand? So first of all, before I go shook my mouth put for this lady no. I want first of all talk about that guy when we say he dey friend, when we say he too fine, he get 6-pack, he get 8-pack. You see wetin we dey talk? Person when know you for inside poto, and person when know you when you don't dey shine. Now two different things. If now that man when know for inside poto, as he dey color like this, he not go leave am. He must surely try to hold am, cover am. But because say that one know when they shine, and now they come say they go back to poto. The man cower. You understand? That's why we dey talk say person when you know you when you dey suffer, they be your real friends. So as you call the color now, they say that the autonomous when the man do for his head, na it cause am. So this one a big lesson to ladies. Before na shop man money, make una dey look the kind man when they shopping money. Make ladies not they take every man as mugu, because not be everybody they so nice when we say you go chopping money, you go free. And the most important thing for inside this story be say, don't vow. Now vow, that be the most important thing. That's why Bible say it is better not to vow than to vow you did not fulfill it. It is better. Even Bible dey against vow. This lady don't vow to this man, say, see me through education, I go marry you. And she don't already vow. Only saying it alone with her mouth, she don't vow. Supposing he don't vow, say, see me through, I go marry you. No where that man go, you no go affect her. You no go affect her. Because before you see ladies, when you not chop man money, you not reach 2 for 100. Many ladies, they chop man money when they grow up, they come. So if men begin to go to a place as they go, they say they want to do the lady like this. All ladies for that colo finish. So men don't build mansion for ladies. They don't marry the man. The man, even though say carry their name go kafaja, it not go work because they did not vow. There's power in vow. You understand? So this lady vow. That's why you see say this man cash am like foul like this. I can say that this lady now she make the mistake when she go vow say she will marry this man. She not supposed to vow because this man can still see her through education. Without say she not vow say she will marry this man. Because after all, the man they chop ample now. Maybe they go the man house, they wash it clothes, they clean it clothes. You understand? So now she do herself, she for no vow. Now that vow that be the problem for inside. Because everything when the man they do, not be saying really they do it for free. You understand? That's why you see some ladies that they use their common sense. Man go do even ahead for them. They not go vow say I will marry you. So ladies, men don't build house for them, buy car for them. They not vow say they will marry the man. And when the relationship ends, now everybody carry a kanya go. If you go marry person where you want marry. If now the man they push you, as I they help you say they do this, you go marry me. You go tell and say, no, we they look am first. I not fit promise say I go marry you now because nobody knows tomorrow. You go take and pass like that. Or you come or can't do that blood covenant. You say no, I know they do. You understand? You go take and pass like that. Common sense. Now some ladies they use when be say they feel succeed men to do a lot of things for them. At the end, they don't marry the man. So I believe say this topic now lesson to ladies. Know the kind of men when they take as mugu. And not the vow what you know say you know what you do because you don't know tomorrow. The love for you they sweet you now. Tomorrow if you can see another person when be say now you like pass or when you get this kind of 6-pack where you define. And probably this man now maybe not get that 6-pack, maybe not other one will get belly like babuwa. You understand? And she now she don't be graduate or be undergraduate. They find her own pair of shoes. Shoe get size now. It's better not to vow than to vow. You know, fulfill the vow. Now they make the autonomous, but they active well. And again, what some ladies they do, the thing really they get as it they be. They just see woman, just they colo, you just stay for road, they colo, they dance. All women stand, then they look this lady. They not think carry rapper, make they say cover her. They just they look at the video. It's really bad. Women more they support ourselves, more they help ourselves because she takes throw away her everything. I got to create and put for ground like that. That's how your own still be. And as they look at it, they look you with the same camera. Say una be the same thing. You understand? And she just think and also your own still dey even though say you wear club because now the same way God take create all of us. So as if you say that kind of thing happen, so those women went there around, they for quickly carry wrapper, cover her. But they just leave her. So tell she stop motor, she come out from motor. She even go waka go where they dance, they dance. Nobody even carry wrapper, take over her. So they know they see women when they tell wrapper again, be the trouser when they come they wear for Africa, not make that they see women when they tell wrapper again to take cover her. That one not really dey nice at all. They for cover her because the video really long when she take stop motor, when she take dance. For music, nobody cover her. Even houses they there. Even those people when they walk out for street don't get rapper. Coupons they there now. They not wrong go say go take rapper, take cover her. It's not really they nice like that. Everybody go they clap, they look. It's not really they nice. So I just pray may God forgive this our sister and may God touch that man. Make he still forgive him because now that man go fit still do that thing back. Even though say they cannot go everywhere, now that man now go fit still do him back. And I pray may God have mercy upon her. If as they take talk this story for this news, now so it will happen. It not really dey nice. Because to see person through university, not be my man. Now maybe the man work hard, he's struggle, maybe make so many sacrifice, maybe he deny himself so many things because of her. Maybe some ladies don't they will be say don't love this man. This man will say no, I want marry graduate, me I train my own by myself. At the end, they can't tell and say, you know, classic rich. Not be all men will they so nice like that to say, okay, I leave you for God. Not be all men will they so nice like that. Not be all. because maybe the man passed through a lot to get the money to see her through school, and that accommodation fee, school fees, and upkeeping, all those one are money. And you go buy clothes, you go buy human hair, you go buy all those earrings, jewelries, all those things. Now money not easy. So my people, I will try to stop this story for you. What do you guys think about this story, about this lady when she go colo like this, and about the man wey be say he not living for God, he reacts to it, he go do what on up. What do you not think? Please leave your opinion down there. Your opinion is very, very important. Thank you so much for watching. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you share this video, you are going to save a soul today, because many ladies, when we say that they do this kind of thing, make them still less say it's not all that glitter are gold, and make them still less say not be all men you will take as mugu. There are some men will be say they're ready to do you back. So please, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, so you will know anytime we post video here. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, or your pikin, anyone you call me, I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao, ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.